500, sliding 180, and maintain 2,500 feet. I'll try to get that from with the tower. 180, 2.5, train the tango, thank you. San 636, you're cleared to LaGuardia, the Sid Trudeau 2, F9 route.
Surveillance services are terminated. Proceed on our frequency. Have a good day. November Golf Hotel, contactez le terminal 125, décimal 15, au revoir.
LC55, November Golf Hotel, on board. Take off 2, then echo on the other side, 420. Ensuite, direct à Bétabarène. Non, de moi de gauche, on est à 2 mètres secondes après, on va procéder à Varenne, Novembre Golf Hotel. Votre alerte est terminée, 350 ans. Barre 5000, on entre du pont-tunnel, procéder vers le pont-tunnel pour intégrer le circuit Ville-Marie, maintenez 1500 pieds.
1900 pieds, on vérifie, sans se diriger vers le nord.
712 for Quebec, I imagine. I'm not seeing anything. So well, we got the PDCs, just seriously change the runways. We're wondering if it's to go seriously stretch on us. The Jet 712 can change for runway 28, the balance will change. Section 3763 clearance.
VFR, vous avez un marquage.
Delta, Delta 119,